off, to prep my eyes, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color light medium, and I'm going to be blending everything out with this small sponge. And to set that, I'm going to be using the Airspun loose powder. And for today's palette, I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette, and starting off with the brush, it's going to be the M433 brush, and blending everything together. I'm just going to be mainly focusing on packing the pink and obviously blending everything out. And after I'm done blending to my desire, I'm going to be going with the Morphe M513 brush and packing in that orange. And the reason why I'm applying orange, it's because it's going to give more of that gradient effect instead of just a blank pink. Now that I'm done blending out the orange, I went back with my first brush because I felt I lost that pink, so I'm just going to be packing again that pink shade, and just pretty much from here just keep packing and blending everything out. I feel like this look is very easy. The only thing is obviously you have to keep blending. And now to cut the crease, I'm going to be using the L.A Girl Pro concealer in the color Porcelain. And to cut the crease, I'm going to be using this small detailer brush, and it's by the brand Flower. So pretty much I'm just going to be making everything sharp and clean. Now that I'm done cutting the crease, I'm going to be setting everything into place with the Airspun powder, and I'm just going to be setting it just halfway my lid. Just that way, once I start adding the pink on the outer corner, it's going to give me more of a vibrance, and it's going to pack and give more pigment to the eyeshadow. Now that I'm done blending the pink, I'm going to be going now to the fun part, which is eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliners, and this one I will be using is in the color Vivid Petal. Once I'm done applying the liner, now to apply on top of the liner, I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm going to be using these two glitters from JCat Beauty. One of them is called Ultra Pink, and the other one is in Wild Pink. In case of anything, guys, I'll be having every product down below in the description box. So once I'm done with my eyes, I'm just going to be quickly applying just to prep my eyes with my favorite lashes. And for lashes, guys, you guys know which ones I love, and the ones I'm going to be using is in the style M102B. And now I'm just going to be prepping my skin and applying the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. And before I had applied the Makeup Forever primer, I did spray the lavender Badescu spray just to give that extra hydration. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using the L.A Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition, and I'm in the color Warm Beige, and also the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation, and I'm in the shade 228 Soft Tan. From here, I'm just going to be making sure everything is blended and everything just looks pretty good. From here, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color light medium and medium, but first I'm going to be starting off with medium, and on top of that I'm going to be applying light medium and blending it with a Real Techniques sponge. Done blending everything in, I'm going to be using the Mercier powder and setting everything into my skin, and I'll be applying this all over my skin and making sure I press it in. This will give you a longer finish to your makeup. Now I'm going to be going ahead with this small detailer brush from Ruby Kisses and apply that pink and pretty much smoking everything out, and apply my lavender rose spray just to melt all the products into my skin, and apply some bottom mascara. And in case of you guys were wondering, I was using the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, and apply some inner corner highlight. And you guys know I love the MAC Oh Darling highlighter. And to bronze my face now, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and this Sonia Kashuk fluffy brush, and cleaning everything into place, and I'm going to let that set into my skin And for blush, I'm going to be using this Milani blush in Luminosa with a Real Techniques blush brush. And for highlight, I'm going to be using the MAC Oh Darling highlighter. And to blend my highlighter, I'm going to be using the Morphe M504 brush, and this brush is honestly so amazing for your highlight, and it's just very precise for your nose and your cheekbones, so you guys should definitely check that brush out. I'm going to be dusting off all the excess powder, and I'm going to be applying more of the Badescu spray just to melt all the products into my face. And these are the lip products I'll be using. I hope you guys definitely love this look. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification button down below. I'll see you guys next time.